Chad with Flash Performance on a beautiful Indiana morning, and it is drywall day in the pole barn. So we have a crew coming bright and early to start hanging drywall. Let me show you where we're at in this project because I've been working hard to try and get this all updated. The electrical crew has been in, the power box is ran. I built a little cabinet around the power box so I can get access to the power box with a door if we need to open it. All the electrical going all the way around. AC rough-in is in. I use these rough-in boxes, that way the drywall can be hung, and I still have access to all the lines. I did go back with a Cooper Hunter system. You can see in the tag in the video of the first time that I installed these, and I really liked the setup. So we're gonna go back with that same style setup. These rough-in boxes are a great addition, makes life a lot easier. I did add a door to the back of the shop. This gives me access to the backyard and makes it so I don't have to keep walking all the way around to be able to get in and out of the shop. The office area is all framed in and ready to go. I moved some windows around, did some different things there, so that's all up and ready. I built a walkway, sorry for the lighting, I built a walkway all the way across the trusses to be able to get from one side to the other, so that has been pretty phenomenal as well. The underside of the mezzanine is all ready to go. Still have to redo all the electrical in there, but that is later down the road. And then here is the center section. I'll put a power washer here. This is where the air compressor will be up here as well. So a lot of prep work has been done to get to this point. Now I have to get all the junk out of the way that I've been working on over the weekend, so that way the drywall crew has full access to be able to go all the way around the walls. But we have made major progress, and I'm super excited for this stage. End of day one on the drywall install. There was supposed to be a crew of, I don't know, 6 or 8 installers, and with a flat tire and trying to replace a tire and some other stuff, only 2 showed up, a husband and a wife crew. But they made some great progress in just a couple hours. Check this out. So we have the main wall started with the long sheets of drywall, and pretty much the whole office is done. Putting up the drywall on the inside and up on the ceiling, getting that part all done. And then of course they're gonna have to put drywall up on the outside, but making great progress. The crew will be here today to be able to knock out the rest of this. We expect this to be done probably around noon with everybody showing up, so it should be a pretty quick process. All the drywall is up and we're painting. So this section back here is almost ready. You can actually use this one right now if you wanted to, as far as filming. We filmed in that corner a couple of times. We're getting there. Now that we have the drywall up, I was able to get the rest of the electrical all put in as well. So I got all the electrical covers put on and all that kind of stuff after the electrician put all the rest of the outlets in. So we're making some good progress. But I want to show you this. This is the entry door, and then this is the power box. So you can see how they were able to flow in the power box into the drywall. So super excited about that. I have some other projects to do after the drywall is done and before I start moving stuff in. Like I want to get some metal wainscoting put on. And okay, I'll go ahead and show you what I've been working on. Check this out. I got metal wainscoting put on all the way, well, it's going to be all the way around the shop. I haven't got that far yet. So it's going around the corner. But one of the things that I did when I put this on, so this is actually the same color that's on the outside of the building, but I was really worried about, you know, power washing the floors and then having the water get stuck underneath there. So what I did, hopefully we can see it here, is I put this rubber trim on the bottom, and that pushes against the floor to try and keep that water from going underneath the metal. And I did get the power washer in that I was talking about earlier in the video as well. Sorry for the mess. I put taller wainscoting here, and then I mounted the power washer on the wall. I got the plumbing in. So we're making some good progress around the shop. So good stuff's coming. Make sure you stay tuned because I got some toolboxes that I got to show you. And I got some additions that the wife is, for some reason, she's not excited about. Thanks for watching. I'm Chad from Plots Performance. We'll talk with you soon.